Hello eHow, my name's Anders and today we're going to talk about automatically filling out forms when you're online. Now, whether you're trying to sign up for a magazine subscription, whether you're signing up for a new email address, for a new Facebook account, whatever that might be, there's always going to be a form that you're going to need to fill out so that this company that you're signing up with has your information. Now, this could be your name and your email address, your phone number, where you live, what your interests are, even your credit card number. Now, there are a couple of very safe ways to automatically enable Google Chrome to fill out all this information for you so that even when you just need to buy something quick, you'll immediately have all your information there and you won't have to worry about just importing all of it, which can be time consuming. So, our first thing in Google Chrome is that we're going to have a new tab open, and then we're going to go to the Chrome Web Store right here. So we're going to click that. Now Chrome Web Store will pop up and we are going to go to the search bar on the left hand side and we're going to type in LastPass. Now this is a really nifty application that's free. You can very easily add it to Chrome. Just make sure it's the first result in the Chrome Web Store. Click Add to Chrome. It's going to ask you if you definitely want to add this program, which you do, so we're going to click Add. And then we're going to see a brief dialog pop up on the left side of the Chrome box. And then a new tab is going to open, welcoming us to LastPass. So in order to use LastPass, you're going to need to create one final account with them, but then after that, everything becomes very easy. So let's create an account, put in your email address. In this case, I'll use my school email address, and a master password, which you guys don't get to know, and a password reminder, whatever helps you remember. Maybe today it's cats. Then just read and agree with the terms and service and the privacy statement that they have. And LastPass is a reputable company, they're very safe. And let them know that you understand that your encrypted data will be sent to LastPass and they store and hold all this information for you so that when you need it, you can easily just pull it off the internet. Then it is going to keep a history of your logins and form fills, which is exactly what LastPass does automatically. And then allow it to send error reporting just so that they can continue to make LastPass better. Now, let's create an account. So click that. So we're just going to re-enter the password. This looks a little scary here, but as long as we know what password we inputted in the previous page, we're just going to re-enter that. Now, you want to put a password in twice just to make sure that you know it and that the password you put in the first time is absolutely the password you want to use. And they're checking you by having you re-enter this password so that if you got one little letter or number off, then you'll realize that, go back and change it. So I'm going to put my password in again and click Create Account. Now it's going to create that account. It's going to ask if it can import your data, which in this case, it could try to find data on your computer. And if you're okay with it looking through your computer and pulling out your important data, which is what you're planning to put on LastPass anyway, I recommend that you do this. In this case though, I'm not going to because this is just a work computer. So we're going to click Continue. And then it will also allow us to configure form fill, which is what this program is all about. So we'll set up our form filling profile. We're going to click Continue. And then we're dropped out at a page which allows us to set up our name, our title, all that kind of good stuff. Under name, this is the name of the form fill profile. I'll put in home. Then I'm going to put in my first name, my last name, a username if that's what I normally use. I can put in my gender, my social security number, all that kind of good stuff. You can put in your address here in this tab. And then you can put in your main contact information. Now, this can be anything from your phone number to your mobile number. You can continue through these tabs. You can put in your credit card information, your bank account information, your custom fields, which the way LastPass works is it looks through and finds certain text in a website. So say this asked you what your subscription number for a magazine was, you would type in subscription number here in the custom field, and then you would put in what that number was in this second box of what the value that form should take. And then you finally can just put in notes if you need them. Then click Add Form Fill Profile when you're done. Now there will be a new tab that opens that congratulates you, and you can just click continue. It'll drop you out of their main website if you'd like to learn more, or you can go just start filling out forms. My name's Anders, and today we showed you how to fill out forms automatically using Google Chrome.